In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change controls on Bluestacks 5 Traffic Rider. By the end, you'll have custom keys that feel natural and responsive, making the game smoother to play on your keyboard. First, open Bluestacks 5 and launch Traffic Rider. Give it a moment to fully load so all in-game elements appear correctly. If you see any intro prompts, click Next, then Next, and finally click Play. Getting to the main gameplay ensures we can preview the controls as we adjust them. Now, let's open the Keymapping editor. On the right side of the Bluestacks window, click the keyboard icon labeled Game Controls. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. This brings up the control editor where you can see every action currently mapped and change them to keys that make more sense for you. In Traffic Rider, we're focusing on the accelerate and brake controls, which by default are tied to left and right, and those same directions also affect the tilt. To make things clearer and more comfortable, change the right action to W, or pick any key you prefer for accelerating. Then change the left action to S, which is a common and comfortable choice for braking, or use the space bar if that feels more intuitive. The goal is to separate your throttle and brake from tilt so you don't mix inputs while riding. Next, adjust the tilt controls so steering is on its own keys. For the tilt button, set the up action to A, or use the left arrow if you like arrow keys. Then set the down action to D or the right arrow. This gives you a clean layout, W for accelerate, S or space for brake, and A and D, or the left and right arrows, for tilt steering. Pick the combination that matches your muscle memory. The editor updates instantly so you can see your changes as you make them. When you're happy with the layout, click Save in the bottom right corner of the editor. This step is important. If you close the editor without saving, your changes won't stick. After saving, exit the editor to return to the game. Finally, test your controls in game. Start riding and confirm that W accelerates, S or space brakes, and your tilt keys steer as expected. If anything feels off, reopen the editor and fine-tune. With a couple of quick tweaks, you'll have a setup that feels precise and comfortable every time you play.